What's up YouTube, it's Dr. Twans here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing tires on this 2025 Tundra here, and we are going to see what tire size will fit on the new Tundras without a lift. So we're going to be running the stock TRD rims. We're going to change this out to a 35, and we're going to see what we need to do to fit 35s on the third gen Tundras without any lift. So here we go. We've got the correct tire size here, 35 by 12.5 by 20. That's going to be the TRD rims here. Let's see if we can get them to fit. Stock 265 60 20s, 35 12.5. Way more aggressive tire. So in case you guys didn't know, we also mount and balance tires, wheels here, and of course used to doing big boys like 35s and 37s, and right now any lift kit that you guys do with us gets a free alignment. Any wheels and tires that you buy with us, free mounting and balancing, so you get the entire package all here at R4T. All right, moment of truth. That's how much we've got clearance-wise towards the back. This is the front. All right, so towards the front, might have to do some trimming. We'll see. The rear looks like it's gonna rub against carpet right there. All right, so we have seen TRD John do a video 35s with RW 0 offset, and he showed the poke. And we've seen other people do 35s no lift with Icon wheels. The reason for this video is we're doing 35s with the stock TRD wheels because there are a lot of people that want to keep their TRD wheels. They're nice wheels, and they're very positive offset wheels, so you can see sits flush with the truck, no poke. That's the rear. That's the front. So pairing your TRD wheels with bigger tires, no lift, I'm gonna put this thing on the ground and see how much rubbing we've got. All right, check it out, check it out. Man, this thing looks good. No lift, factory TRD wheels, 35 by 12 AT3s, and we didn't even have to take out the mud flaps like we thought we were. And full crank, it's barely just touching the carpet, so we're not even gonna need to trim. This will definitely rub if you're wheeling though, but daily driving, city, zero problems. We just took it around, drove it on pavement, over some bumps, and zero rubs at all. Forward full crank and reverse full crank. So there you have it. 35 stock TRD wheels, no lift, cheapest, best way to get better, bigger tires to make your third gen Tundra look like it's lifted. Looks way better than the stock tires, and not even have to spend any money. All right guys, that is it for this video. If you guys are looking for a Tundra upgrade without doing too much, here you go. Here's your lift bypass 35 stock Tundra, no lift kit, stock wheels. Peace.